It's an Extrude Hone 8.6 Vector Series abrasive flow machine, serial number R890571. It's got a 5 horsepower hydraulic power pack.
They do. Control up front. ATCs. Got it all preset, ready to go. Clamp pressure. I don't have the front cover off, but we could take a look in the back when we get there. Media pressure. These all work nice. Temporary die set setting up there that I'm using. Documentation. And the only other thing to look at aside from the hydraulic system, yes, there you go. Air packages up there. Off to the left there is my temporary primary feed of 220 volts.
Thank you.
And yeah, sure, and there it is. There's the back end. You see part of it anyhow. Pretty organized, clean machine for sure. Okay, yep, and we'll fire it up. Do a couple things in manual. There's not a lot to play with here. I'll turn on the hydraulics. We're gonna do 4 cycles, 150 cubic inches. We'll play up and down manual a little bit, throw the die set in there, and we can kind of watch the gauges, clamp up, and see how everything works. Can't see it, but you hear it. Advanced top and bottom. This one you can see I've got some media in there. Advanced bottom, advanced top, retract bottom. I'm sorry. It's ready to go. And that said, you got unclamp and clamp. There's clamp, unclamp. Works pretty good. Clamp. Leave that right there. Let's throw this die set in here. Just something to jump onto. I need back pressure, so the ATC counter will count. I'm going to clamp up. We get up to about 1,700 permits an auto cycle on the clamp circuit. Watch that clamp pressure gauge down here. Yep. Give it a few seconds, let that booster pump kick in. I think it'll get up to right around 17 maybe. Let it clamp up, and then we'll just flip it over into auto cycle mode. I'm not real high. You can go up to 2,000 on this, but for our wants and needs, this is fine. Okay, settle down. I'll flip it over to auto. Let's see if we don't start counting up to 150 cubic inches. There she goes. Bottom going up. There's top going down now. Reversing, back up again. I think it counts 2 at the top of the stroke of the bottom cylinder. Yep, there it is. And immediate pressure, I think that equates to about 600 or 700 psi. The hydraulic pump is currently set up to around 13. The max is 15 on this machine, I believe. So nothing's maxed out here, but again, just for our demonstration purposes. Last cycle. We'll push it all back down to the bottom and then stop. That should be it right there. If you want, I can run another auto cycle or just unclamp and bring it all up.
Unclamp it.
Okay. Now usually I just make sure the bottom's all the way down. We go a little bit farther than it does on its own. Right there. Push all the media down. That's good. Unclamp. Bring it up and yeah. This thing works nice. Works good. There she be. I mean, it goes a lot higher, but we don't have to take it up that far. And oil off. You good? Yeah.